Hello, hello, hello. Can you hear me? Let me just check. Yeah, the sound is coming. Okay, so let's start. Yeah, hello everyone. So today is 2nd of December. तो चलिए बात कर लेते हैं कि आज क्या हुआ था, ठीक है? तो so I'll be answering all these questions like आज मतलब सारे मतलब एक एक move. So we captured. I mean almost every move. Yeah, the sound is coming. Sorry, I forgot to switch off. So yeah, sorry for that. Yes, so हम लोग जो सारे moves मतलब capture किए थे आज तो कैसे? So how did we first went for put buying and then the 3 p.m. candle and also the reversal. Okay, so uh, okay, so first let's come one by one. So this is December 2. Okay, so first in the morning 9:26 we bought I bought puts, okay, in Nifty. So all these are for educational purpose and whatever like you're seeing, so those are just to make one train or learn during the live markets, okay. So yes, we bought so I bought puts in Nifty. So the reason was because you see that Nifty score was heavily decreasing, but in the beginning Bank Nifty score was not heavily decreasing. You can very well see Bank Nifty score decreased heavily from 10:11 p.m. So from 10:11 p.m. if you look at Bank Nifty, so then you will see the fall. So if you go at around this 10:05 to 10:10, so after this you see there was the fall, okay. So before that Bank Nifty was going zigzag and the score was also going zigzag. So if you want to get hold of these scores, so you can go to the you can check the description and the link of the drive is given. Every day the scores are the PDFs are uploaded after the market hours, okay, there. So you can get hold of the scores. एंड येस बट निफ्टी एकदम मतलब सही डायरेक्शन दे रहा था कि मुझे नीचे जाने वाला है, मतलब मैं नीचे जाने वाला हूँ. तो निफ्टी वेंट डाउन. ओके, सो वी बॉट आई बॉट पुट्स इन निफ्टी एंड निफ्टी यू सी स्ट्रेट नीचे, ठीक है. तो या बट एज यू नो लाइक आई बीइंग अ वेरी वेरी सेफ प्लेयर, सो आई जस्ट क्लोज एट अराउंड हियर, ओके. And then again I initiated at around here, but let's come to one by one. So yes, I gave the reason, okay, the same reason, and so these reasons are given just so that one can learn, okay. So all these are for learning purpose. So yes, so the main thing is that Bank Nifty score also now fell at 9:49, and then I also did put buying in Bank Nifty. And so there was more weakness in the market, okay, at 11:42. So just go and check at 11:42. So this is 11:10, 11:20. So I think this 11:42 was the, so this candle from 11:40 to 11:45. So during this candle, green candle, I told more weakness, okay. Because here also Bank Nifty 11, yeah, so 11:40 to 11:45, during this both the green candles I told more weakness, and then sharply Bank Nifty fell as well as Nifty also fell, okay. So then again I said that yeah, so both were more weakness, and I booked my profits at 11:52. So 11:42 more weakness we found out. My analysis, my research said that more weakness, and I took position accordingly, and in 10 minutes I squared off, okay. So in 10 minutes we got a very nice profit. So for option buyers, it's like you just need to capture the moves correctly, and then you are done, okay. And then you see at 12:12 I said that profit booking has started, okay. So yes, so why profit? So 12:12, let's see where the indexes were. So 12 So here 12:10 to 12:15 this candle, so almost at the bottom you see. Let's go and check in Bank Nifty 12:12. So 12:10 to 12:15. So again here almost at the bottom. So in both the indexes the profit booking started. Okay, and yes, then you see that it straight away went up. Like we captured the reversal from the exact bottom. So this is not the first time, this is not the second time, this is not the third time. Okay, so this is the like nth time I'm showing you that I have done this. Okay, so it's not like I today luckily did it. So I have done it many times earlier also, I have shown it to you. So yes, so the thing is that this was the bottom for the day, where the big players started booking profits. Okay, and then it went up, but again in the meantime there was again weakness, and yes, Nifty was looking weak and also Bank Nifty was looking weak. So 1342, if we go and check Bank Nifty, so 1342 was here. So 1342, 1345 this candle. So 42, after this there was a sharp move in Bank Nifty, but then it fell. Okay, so I'm not god of stock market, or I'm not like the god like who will say and things will happen then and there. Okay, so yes, it might happen that one candle will be green, two candles will be green, but ultimately it will follow. So yes, again Bank Nifty came down, and then yes, then there was no signal after that, and then the 3 p.m. candle. Okay, so the 3 p.m. candle, I said clearly that the 3 p.m. candle is going to be red, which has a very high probability. Okay, so you see that I got one like and one member did dislike it. Okay, so let's come to suppose Nifty. If you see, so mostly I take trades in Nifty, and sometimes when I see opportunity in Bank Nifty I take it. So let's come to Nifty. So yes, the same pattern. Where did it go? Yes, the same pattern. Even in yesterday's video, in the last video also I told you the same pattern is happening. Green. So 2:55 p.m. candle was green, and then the 3 p.m. candle was red. Okay, so now the thing is that yes, why I got a dislike, because the 3 p.m. candle was not a very big red candle. Okay, so maybe that member was expecting a very big red candle. Yes, it should have been a very big red candle, but the move was desperately the move was delayed. Okay, so there might be two reasons, as we discussed in yesterday's video also. 18,700, the put writers were present, the big guys, PropDex and FIIs. Okay, so that's why you see that finally like Nifty came at and concentrated around 18,700, so that they get time to exchange their positions. That could be one of the reason, and the next reason could be that is during 3 p.m. every day, we are getting a huge candle. Okay, so that's why like most of the traders come, and the volume increases at around 3 p.m. Because they saw that we are getting a very nice opportunity. So why trade all during the day? We'll come at 3 p.m. and we'll capture the huge move and we will win. We'll get huge money. So that's why it was delayed. So these are the two major reasons for the delay. Now why I am saying delayed, I'll also clarify that. So the thing is that yes, this red candle has to be, it had to be like at least a 50 or maybe 100 points fall should have been there. Okay, so I think which we are going to see on Monday. So why? Because during this candle, okay, for 1445, okay, 18,700 PE, okay, huge amount of 18,700 PE was being bought at 102 rupees, or 102 premium 102. Okay, so seeing that, I did my put buying at 99. Okay, so even like whoever like whoever is not pleased with my analysis. Okay, so the analysis is correct. Like again I'm saying that I'm not the god of stock market. Like I'll say and it will happen. So everything has a probability. One needs to understand to be a very good trader that even the correct to the, I mean, super correct analysis, okay, they have also a probability that when they are going to happen, or they might be cancelled, or even the big players might be going in loss. So everything has a probability. Okay, so though I mean it the I mean I mean technically I am correct. Okay, so the 3 p.m. candle is red, but yes, the move that we were expecting did not come because of the two reasons we discussed. Now the next thing is that yes, why was I expecting that? Because I saw that put buying was happening. Now during this candle 255, so 255 to 3 p.m. candle, this candle, whatever be the was the premium went max to 102 to 103, not even 103. I remember like one when it was below, near to the I mean the candle was below, it in the very last 2 minutes or 3 minutes it just sharply went up. But whatever the premium was, even before, even just at the opening of the candle, this red candle came down and the premium went to 105. Okay, so I bought so seeing them, I bought it at 99. Seeing them, the big players were buying at 102, I bought it at 199. So then I closed at 102. Okay, so I told even in the earlier videos, I do not keep put buying positions or even option buying positions open. Okay, whatever be the thing. Yes, whatever positional position I take, it's writing position. So yes, then we took the call writing positions. Like I took the call writing position. So since mostly the call writers were taking home the their positions. Okay, so like you see, what else do you want? I mean, each and every move, I mean, we are predicting here, like not predicting, we are learning. Okay, so yes, I should use the word learning often. So yes, we are learning how to predict each and every move. तो मतलब शुरू से पुट बाइंग था, फिर कॉल पुट बाइंग मीन्स ऑल्सो यू कैन गो फॉर कॉल राइटिंग. ओके, सो not a big deal. Then at the exact bottom we caught the reversal, and then these weaknesses were also captured, and finally the 3 p.m. candle was captured, but the move did not come. Okay, now the move is going to come on Monday. Let's see why. Okay, so here you see huge futures long positions have been closed. Okay, huge amount of futures long positions have been closed. Some also like I mean a nice quantity of futures short positions have been added. And here in option chain, again if you see that put writing quantity has been lowered, not a very huge one, but no fresh writing positions. Okay, sorry, very few fresh writing positions have been done. Okay, but look at the put buying. Look at the put buying. Huge put buying quantity. Okay, so these are not just for the hedging of that very small amount of put writing that has been done. So put buying is there. Huge futures short, futures long covering, futures short, nice quantity, and put long, no further huge put writing, and huge call shorts. Every data, and these call buyings are for hedging. Okay, so every data, option chain, put side data, call side data are both bearish. Okay, so hugely bearish. When I mean just put writing, sorry, call writing happens, then we can say that yes, weakness. Okay, but huge call writing plus put buying plus future short and huge future long covering, so we are expecting a huge, something huge. Okay, so please be very careful. Okay, so I mean we went with like even today, like at the closing, Nifty was at around 18,706, and we went with 18. I went with 18,800 call writing positions. Okay, so yes, and it was we were. I was getting it at a very nice premium, 70 to 71 rupees, and that's a very very nice premium. Okay, if you can eat half of it also, that's fine. Like by Monday, if you can eat 50% of it or maybe 40%, that's it. Leave. Don't stay there and try to see how you can eat the whole thing. Yes, you might, because in this situation you might, but not in every situation, because in this situation it's like looking bearish. For this week, the market is looking bearish. Okay, so now why suddenly like they are doing taking bearish positions while they are buying in huge quantity? So it might be that they wants to take the market down and do their buyings. Okay, so with the help of the derivative segment, they would be taking the market down, and then they can enter at a very lower level. Okay, so that might be one of the reason, or the other big reason is we are being fooled. Okay, 19,000 का जो मतलब ड्रीम है सबके मन में, so taking Nifty to 18,800, just 200 points away, and then the drop. Okay, so out of these two, one of them will be true, but who cares? Okay, all we need is profits from trading. Okay, and that we are getting by capturing the moves. Okay, so yes, that's the updates, and yes. Now the question is, how do I detect these call and put buying? Okay, so even one can say that these are writing positions. So it's just OI change, right? So come here, look at 18,700. So as I already told you that always I look at the strike price in multiples of 100 where the index is nearest to. In BankNifty you have no choice, but in Nifty I look at the strike price at a multiple of 100. So today 18,700. Look at so why 18,700 especially? Because 18,700 put writers were active last day, big put writers. Okay, needed to see what they were doing. So, and fresh positions was call short. Okay, so now you have seen, like, if call writing has been done and the put writers are not closing, so both side moves comes. Okay, so it's not a new thing, but the main thing was that if you notice that the OI change on the call side and the OI change on the put side, it's more than double. Okay, it's more than double. Like the OI change is more than double than the put side. Okay, but look at the volume. The volume is very very high on the put side. So that means what? If you at the end of the day, still like the volume increased on the call side, because there can be many retail traders who just have taken positions during the intraday and they closed. So but during the intraday, if you looked, it you could have, now also you can clearly visualize, but during that time the scenario was like doodh ka doodh, pani ka pani. Okay, so huge volume was on the put side, but OI was very less, and huge very less volume on the call side, though OI was very very high. Okay, so that clearly indicated that the put writers are escaping. Now they were having some loss, or they did not get the profits they they made those positions to make profit. So either they had to close in red, or they did not get the expected profit. So what they did to get the profit, they did put buying. Okay, and as well as they did huge call writing. Okay, so with this condition we can at least expect 150 to 200 points fall. So since it's 18,700, at least we are expecting 18,600. Also maybe like 18,500 can also come, but after that we will see. Okay, so on Monday there is a very very high chance that there might be a gap down. If there is not a gap down, then I am telling you very clearly, listen, 18,700 put side from 91 rupees to 102 rupees, and sometimes at 107 rupees also. Majorly it was done between 91 rupees to 102 rupees. Okay, so at every price, at every premium, or I mean not every, like almost all the premiums, like the major premiums, let me tell you, 94, 96, 97, 98.75, yes, 98.75 also, and 102. Okay, so the last, and in the morning 107, 105, and yes, so almost that's it. So these are the major strike price where they have bought puts at 18,700. Okay, so if you just take out the average, so even the average is around 97. Okay, or maybe let's take to the very best 95. So on Monday, if you see the price at 18,700 to be less than 95, put side I'm talking about, आपका लॉटरी लग गया, ठीक है. So there is nothing to say. You have hit the jackpot. Okay, if there is a gap down, let me tell you something else also. If there is a gap down, if the price is at 120 rupees, not more than that, then there is also a very nice chance you can go for put buying. Okay, so okay, this is not a recommendation or anything. Okay, so I must not tell you, you might go for put buying, I might go for put buying. Okay, so I'll do it. Okay, so this is my research. I am just sharing it for educational purpose and nothing else, so that you can learn and track the big players next time. So yes, what I meant was I will be going for put buying. Okay, so yes, आपका लॉटरी नहीं, मेरा लॉटरी लगेगा, ठीक है. So yes, the thing is that these are the major important points. So this is not the first time I am doing this. I have done it just the previous week also. Okay, the call buying, there was a call buying at 88, and then they doubled it. Okay, more than 160 rupees they doubled it. Okay, I think that was at around 18,600 call buy. So just the previous week I told you all the average price, everything where they did the buying. So this time also I'm telling you, this is a very very important information. So I think I deserve at least one like. So please do like the video so that I can share all these information even in the future. So you don't get these informations anywhere. Okay, you have to just constantly sit throughout the day and track every second the premiums, the IV, the volume, Greeks, there are a whole lot of things. Okay, so it's not a very easy task, but yes. Okay, so yes, how I detect these call buy put. So again, I have already shared that information earlier also. It's volume. Okay, it's IV. Usually when it falls, the put side IV increases. Okay, IV, and then you have your volume IV, and then there is these premium. Okay, so the premium, so you have to check the decay on both the sides, the premium. So these are the major vital things, and as well as futures, what is happening in the futures. Okay, so once you know that huge futures call long covering is being done, then also that gives you a confidence that yes, market will be bearish and my put buying analysis is also correct. Okay, so what I am analyzing, the put buying, so if that bearishness also matches with the futures data, it's a very like 100%, I might not say 100%, it's a very high accuracy analysis. Okay, so yes, so that's the thing. And so yes, and how I detect the 3 p.m. candle, again I told you the pattern is there, but I don't know how long the pattern will go, And also my strategy, I have already shared it in one video. Just go and check it. Okay, it's just premium. You don't have to check IV volume, anything. But yes, if you check those IV volume, it will be good. But it's just majorly the premium. Okay. So, and how do I catch the reversals from the exact bottom? So the thing that I just showed you, 12-12, I just said that from here now the profit booking starts. Okay. So why? Because again, this is just majorly due to this IV volume and premium. Okay. So the thing is that I have already shared how I do these. Just go and check in the previous videos. Okay. The titles are also clearly written. How I have detected put buying, or the 3 p.m. candle. So the 3 p.m. candle you can go and check in the live videos. Okay, you'll get it. So, and yes, what we are expecting on Monday, I have also discussed that. So the thing is that you see that, suppose, let me give you an example. Like suppose you don't know statistics or I don't know statistics. Okay, now suppose I got a problem on statistics which I have to solve. So someone came and told me do this, these, and you will get the solution. And I did these steps like an algorithm, like a robot. I followed and I got the answer, right? But now once I get another problem of even of similar type but slightly changed, or somewhere the data is changed, I won't be able to do it because I did the previous one mechanically. Like I just followed an algorithm. So there the algorithm might not follow because the situation scenario changed. So the same thing happens in the stock market also. What I mean, these are the data which I see. Okay. Now you might tell that no, you have something secret strategy you are not telling us, you are not teaching us. It's not like that. It's like I'm telling you, but every day the exam paper is different, the scenario is different, everything is different. You don't know. I mean, everyone is trying to predict. The big Goldman, whoever, like the big analysts in the market, they are also trying to predict. Okay, they are big traders are trying to take trades. The bankers are there, so everyone is trying to predict. Okay, so this is not an easy task. So over the period of time, I have trained my brain to analyze these data all together, like which one, when to give priority to which one, why is it happening, how historically, like I mean the historical influence, the previous days data, the FII psychology, everything plays a role. So all these together, I come to this conclusion. It's not easy, okay, but I have told you what I use. But again, I mean, you have to practice. You have to practice like what I have done. Like, I mean, this is a rigorous practice of like 5 to 6 years. So, I mean, this is not like I learned yesterday and I am doing it today. So, it's a rigorous practice for 5 to 6 years. So, I hope you understand that. I'm serious. Like, you have seen. Like, I have never. I have never lied with any screenshots or anything, or I don't lie, because the thing is that once I lie, so my followers, the respect I'll lose. Okay, I might give a wrong analysis, but those who truly follow, they would understand that I am also a human being. I can make mistake, but if I lie, they will surely know that yes, I mean, lying is not a good thing, right? So I'll lose the respect. So that's why I have never lied. The thing is that yes, this is what I follow majorly, and also the option Greeks. If I get the time, but mostly I follow these, and that's the thing. Okay, so just so that's why I share it on the Telegram channel, so that people can learn when they see that yes, the analysis is correct. So the people can learn. Go and checking the data, they can learn how it has been done and how they can do it the next day. Okay, so yeah, that's I think it for today. So yeah, so hi Skadosh, yes, so yes, okay, yeah, you left, so you had to travel during December, so yeah, no problem. So yeah, I'll be expecting you after your break. So Yeah, hi Rahul. So yes, thanks for the nice feedback. So yes, if you have any queries or questions, you can ask. And yes, again, I would like to say that it's not like every day I get the correct analysis, and I also go wrong. Okay, and yes, I mean, it is like out of 10, if you are correct 8 times, it's good. Okay, so the thing is that you have to keep this ratio, but like you see that I'm trying. So suppose I just wanted to give one update, so then easily everyone could have seen, like, call writing was going on, market was weak. I would have just given one update, market weakness is there. But no, weakness was there. From the bottom, we have caught the reversal, the profit booking, everything. So when we are trying to capture every move, always there will be error. Okay, so I hope people understands that. Okay, because this is stock market, and when you are trying so hard to predict like almost all the moves, then probability is also very high that sometimes you can get wrong. But the thing is that people should understand this. Okay, and yes, and if the accuracy is correct, like out of 10, 8 to 9, or maybe 8 is also good. So yes, it's good to go. Yeah, so the spot on analysis is the most important thing, because after the move, if you post on Twitter कि देखा मतलब I mean 18,700 पुट बायर्स ने मतलब पैसा डबल कर लिया. अरे भाई, मुझको उन लोग ने पैसा डबल कर लिया, क्या किया, मुझे फिर बाद में जान मतलब 3 PM कैंडल आई मीन मूव नहीं आया. सब लोग एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे थे, अरे मूव नहीं आया वो तो अभी सबको मालूम है. ठीक है. सो ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड आफ्टर द मूव anyone can say anything. Like if I just ask a 5 years student that you see market has fallen, can you give a reason, he will say either put buying, call writing, he can say anything after the mark. But while it's happening, or just before it's happening, so then the main thing, the major analysis is there, how you can predict that. Okay, so yes, and one more thing I would like to share is that the strategies that I follow, these strategies that what I have told, there is also a drawback to it. So the drawback is that, like today, Friday, okay, so today, Friday, you see, like my accuracy is 100%. Why? Because I mean, fresh data is coming, and every big player is on the same side. Every big player is bearish. So the analysis works very well. But the thing happens when there are two or more big players who are just colliding or fighting with each other. Then the main problem comes, because then my analysis tells both. Okay, and market also gives violent moves, and then the thing goes south. Okay, mostly I have seen that the drawback of my analysis, or that the analysis that my strategies that I use, they will work mostly when all or most of the big players are in the same direction. Okay, if one is buying call, one is buying put, so now you understand, like huge, like one candle will sharply go 50 points up, and the next candle will sharply go 50 points down. What will you do between that? Okay, so there the thing, I mean, becomes troublesome. Otherwise, like it's I mean, it works. Okay, so even on those days also it works, but you have to take the trade and exit very quickly before the other big players snatches. Yeah, so I mean, not only like the name that you're saying, like there is another, there are many with millions of followers, okay, more than 1 million followers, and they just say after the move, okay, so I don't know, like, and they get likes, they get 100 likes, 150 likes, 200 likes on Twitter, okay, so I don't know, like if such fools are trading, so I mean that's why like the big players are gaining in the market so easily. Okay, and yes, these SEBI and everything. So, so lately, like I'm not posting my these profits because I mean there is one nice Twitter handler guy like Vivek Bajaj. So yes, that guy is, I think, genuine. I have seen like I mean his posts, but I haven't seen his videos. I don't know yet, but I feel that that guy is genuine. So I saw in one of his tweets that even the income tax department is after those who are posting verified screenshots or unverified screenshots. So that's why I'm avoiding. Uh, yeah, so lesser noise is better for learners. That's good. And also, if fools are not there in the market, so how we are also going to make profits? Okay, so because if everyone is in the same direction, then I mean, no one will be able to take profit. And this is one of the reason. Like what I feel is that this takedown by SEBI. So, like I feel that I should not say this, but I should not say about anything about SEBI. But you see that there are many loopholes. So one can use like one can just say that these are for educational purpose. Like my analysis is saying put buying is happening. I can share my analysis. People can give money to see that analysis. It's not a recommendation or anything. My research, my analysis, I can sell it for anything I like. Okay, so there are loopholes, but yes, the takedowns that they have taken, those are majorly like they have done something illegal. They have done something like they have taken trades in the others' accounts, and they have used money to take trades which they shouldn't. So those are something they can't avoid. But the others like who are on Telegram channel and everything, so the whole tweet is full of like posts like the Telegram channels and everything. So no, those, if someone is not giving a recommendation like do call buying, okay, if someone says that call buying is happening, now that is purely analysis, that is my research. Okay, I'm not recommending that do call buying. Okay, so that's up to that is fine. And also like I mean I also sometimes think, like always I think in the I mean what the big game can be being played by the big players. So recently what has happened, like there have been like some big Twitter handlers or some big profiles who have learned market very well, and they are analyzing very well. Okay, and now that has become a very big problem for the big guys to take positions in the derivatives market. Okay, now you are clever enough to think otherwise. So always think, I won't conclude anything from here, but the thing is that always think otherwise. So if you want to even survive in the stock market, always think otherwise. Like 2 days before, when PCR ratio was 1.49, okay, I did call writing in Nifty and Nifty fell. Okay, so always think otherwise. So that's how you are going to survive in the stock market. So what everyone is thinking, what everyone is tweeting, if you just see in that direction, so it's something like the stock market, you go with everyone, so you can't win there. So always you have to think otherwise. Okay, it might not be true, it might not be anything, but yes, I hope that I think that yes, it's becoming a very very big problem for the big guys to take positions in the derivatives market. Okay, so yeah, so that's it for today. So I hope I have explained everything that I told in the screenshot, sorry, on this tweet. So yeah, so that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and yeah, thanks for liking the video. If you haven't liked, please do like the video for these information. Okay, so yeah, so see you in the next one. So yeah, thanks for watching. Keep watching and keep learning and trade safely. See you in the next one.